Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mention someone in Instagram post. So first of all, open Instagram account. So first time create a post, tap on plus icon for the post. Tap on to next, click on tag people, search here, mention people, and tap on to right mark, click on share. Okay, that's how you can easily mention someone in Instagram post. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.